How to turn on and turn off camera rolls on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off camera rolls on Facebook. If at the end of this video guys you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now first thing to do is to open up your Facebook. From here guys, go ahead and click on your profile menu here. When you click on it, scroll up or to get to settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. Under this page guys, go ahead and click on settings. Now it's now bring you to this page. Just scroll up until you get to camera roll sharing suggestion. Click on it, then it will bring you to this page. Camera roll sharing suggestion manage how your camera roll can be used to help you create and share on Facebook. You can control camera rolls access anytime in your device settings. If you want to turn it off guys, you can go ahead and click on it here. Then if you want to turn it on, you just toggle on this button. You will occasionally see photos and videos from your camera roll as new sharing suggestion. Then that is how to turn on and turn off camera rolls on Facebook. You find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys, see you guys in the next video.